Welcome. Today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open just the settings application, and after that we should click here to sounds and haptics. So the first section is with the headphone safety, so we can reduce our loud sounds. Just to do that we should use this switcher just to activate it. We can switch also here the level. Now we have selected the 85 decibels. We can just decrease it to the 75 or to 100 or to increase it to 100. So if you want to turn off this option, you should click on the switcher once again. Let's just go back. Here we can see the ringtone and alert volume panel. Just to change here the volume, this volume panel, you should hold a swipe to the left or to the right side this white dot. We can also change these volumes with the buttons here on the left side of our iPhone. So just let's tap once on this switcher, and now we can use our volume buttons to do that. Also we have here the sounds and haptic patterns, so we can change here the ringtone volume, ringtone sound. Also the vibration settings we have here, so we can use the different patterns of vibration. We can also here change the text, the SMS sounds, the new voicemail, the new mails, send mail tones, calendar and reminder sounds. We can also use here the keyboard feedbacks. We can use here the sound of the keyboard and also the haptics, so we can also turn off them just with the switchers. We can also turn on or turn off the lock sound of our smartphone, and in ring and silent mode switch we can use here the feature to play haptics in the ring or in the silent mode. So also to turn on or turn off these options we should click these switchers, and also we can use here the safety haptics. So just as you can see, that's so simple. So that's all of the sound settings on our iPhone 14 Pro. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.